Racing just started with boss Benji rushing about the outside is down cleanse. Then comes see Dragon Serif comes next. Reverse of Gold is running by the rail. Princess Tin. Then next on line is Super One Shot. As ever is the trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the leg stretch, we have Dauntless by about half length. Boss Benji is right behind in second. Reverse of Gold is racing in third. Super Princess Tin comes next. Serif then comes Sharp as ever. While see Dragon now racing in last. At the fourth turn, we have Dauntless, Boss Benji. Reverse of Gold is racing in third. Super Wise down in fourth. Princess Tin is racing in fifth. Then here comes Sharp as ever. Now trying to get closer in sixth. Seventh belongs to Serif, who's having some problem. And the one entering the home stretch, we have number 4, Boss Benji by the length. Dauntless is running by the rail. Last 100 meters, we have Boss Benji by about 2 lines over Dauntless. And finally, Boss Benji. Dauntless, Sharp as ever, close. Reverse of Gold, Princess Tin, Super Wow.
For our penultimate race number 9, ating unofficial winner dito, numero 4, Boss Benji, mas segundo, numero 5, Dauntless, numero 6, Sharp as ever, at numero 1, Reverse of Gold.